Come on in, welcome. I'm going to show you around the Sharehouse campus today. So first of all, here next to the entrance we have a shoe storage place. Everyone has a closet with all of these shelves, and we have it all for ourselves. So here is the living room with the dining room, where it's like the main common area for the share house. We have a big kitchen table where everyone can just sit, do the homework, eat lunch and dinner. And then next to it we have actually a very spacious living room with a big sofa, and we have just a big television as well.
When I came here, a lot of people were sitting on this table right now, and they were very open. We just started talking, and I mean, we were all in the same boat kinda. We all moved to Japan. We didn't know the culture. We don't know any people, and yeah, I mean, it was very helpful, and I'm still friends with them. Yeah, and we have like movie nights every Friday and stuff, and cook together, and it's very nice. Yeah.
Here is the kitchen. It's a shared area as well. We have access to stoves, microwaves, kettles, small ovens. The garbage in Japan are pretty strict. We have reminders about how to throw everything away, which is quite useful. The house also gives us the dishwasher liquid, the sponges. We have shelves for storage where everyone can just use. On this side, we have actually a double-sided vault with storage for the main kitchen stuff, since we have access to all the storage in the room. For example, this is mine. It goes to the other side. Here we have access to toilet stalls. So here is another corridor with other rooms. We can move on to the second floor if you want. This is the second floor. First of all, I would like to show you the gallery outside. It's pretty cold now, but in summer it's really nice. Everyone has access to it. This is starting with the room. First thing you see here is actually another storage place. Everyone has one container. Like, for example, this is mine. Most people use it for shower stuff, bathroom stuff, but you're free to use it however you please, actually.
The service here is good because I already had some little problems here, and I just called or wrote an email and I got an answer maybe like a few minutes later or the next day, but like I get answers very quickly, and then they are very helpful. Like, they help me right away solve the problem.
On this next side right here is actually the washing machine section. We have access to storage container as well. We have 7 washing machines in total. It's free, you don't pay anything for that. There's also drying option, it's really convenient. We have other sinks. And here is actually the bathroom area. So we have access to shower stalls right here. So it's pretty spacious, we have a lot of space.
After you arrive Tokyo, we have the option service. We can take you to the city ward office if you want to register your residence card, or you want to open the bank account in the post bank office. We can take you there. If they have any question, they can contact with us via the email.
I really like anime, so I have decorated my room. It's actually really comfortable. You have your own privacy, even though like you have common area and the bathroom and things are shared. Like, when you're in your room, you have access to, for example, a desk where you can study by yourself if you want. I use storage under my bed. I bought boxes, so I can just put everything in there. So I save space actually. We also have access to a fridge in the room, so it's really convenient. So this was the tour of my room. This was the tour for the second floor. Let's move on to the third one.
As the big share house is 54 rooms, so the cleaning staff will come here to clean up the public area I think that would be 3 times a week because the 54 rooms. So if you live our share house, you don't have to clean up the public area because we have to cleaning stuff. He come here to clean up it. But we do put the vacuum on each floor, so you can borrow it to clean up your own room.
The third floor is actually the most quiet one since like there's no common area except the study room, which is pretty quiet usually. This is the study room. We have access to desk, table. Also we have a tatami where we can just sit. Usually people are not really allowed to speak. It's one here. It's one of the rules. But like if you want to study in team like with friends, you have access.
I think the main advantage of this share house is the location because it's downtown. You're like right in the city, like right in the center of the city. You have JR line, which is like the main line, is just 10 minutes away from here, and we have a second station which is 5 minutes away from here.
So that was the tour for today. Thank you very much for following me around the house.